Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. In this video, we will learn how speech-to-text, also called automatic speech recognition, uses natural language processing to turn spoken words into written text. Step 1 is capturing the sound. A microphone records vibrations in the air and converts them into numbers a computer can read. Step 2 is cleaning the data. The system removes background noise and splits the audio into tiny frames, about 10 to 20 milliseconds each. Step 3 is extracting features. The computer finds phonemes, which are the smallest building blocks of sound. For example, the word cat has the phonemes kru, a, and ta. Step 4 is the acoustic model. It estimates the probability that a sound matches a phoneme, for example, deciding between the sounds but and poo. Step 5 is the language model. It uses context to choose the correct word when two words sound the same. For example, in the sentence, I ate an apple, the word ate makes sense, but the word ate does not. Step 6 is the final output. The system chooses the most likely words and displays them as text. Here is a simple summary table of the speech-to-text pipeline. Signal processing turns sound into numbers. The acoustic model maps sounds to phonemes. The language model predicts the next word, and the output displays the final text. That is the basic idea behind speech-to-text in natural language processing. Thanks for watching.